Hey guys, today we went to Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy where we cooked some chicken.
You're so dumb.
Hey guys, so today we went to Bangkok Thai
Cooking
Academy. See? Cooking. Like that should be easy. Hey guys, so today we went to Bangkok, Thailand. See,
We hope you enjoy the dishes.
yeah, and you messed up too.
I did. Okay.
Bangkok Cooking Academy.
What did I say?
Bangkok Cooking Academy.
What is it?
Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy.
Hey guys, today we went to Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy with the kids. Chris and I had went a few weeks ago and we decided that we wanted to take them, and last minute we decided to vlog, so we hope you enjoy the video.
That's what I know.
Waiting for grab.
What are you guys doing?
Sawadee.
Yeah. Woo, ready to go cook it.
Chicken menu, please.
You book for 4 people?
Yes.
Okay, Chris?
Yes.
Okay.
Family.
Pineapple fried rice, be number 2.
Okay, so Braden.
Satay, be number, chicken satay, be number 3. Yep, and 2 pad thai. Pad thai number 1, pad thai number 4.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take a seat.
You're so weird. Eat all of it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115,
And how is it? Oh, right.
Our buy from vegetable from here. Okay, I will tell you what is the name of the vegetable, right? Herbal, right? This is sauce. That's for the papaya salad. Tomato, onion, garlic, and ginger. This one, ginger. And this one is coriander, Thai coriander. Is we saw it. Yes, we put in Tum Yum. And coriander is a coriander also. And morning glory is vegetable. Papaya salad. And papaya.ส้มตำ yes. They call ส้มตำ. Peppercorn. Sweet corn. And then bamboo cheese. Bamboo. This is chai for pad Thai. You order pad Thai. What you order? Pad Thai. Look, this one eggplant for green curry. This is a small egg and we make a curry as well. Yes, this one. You see. You cooking class too. Okay.
What is this?
Cafe lamb leaf and kalanga and lemongrass. We chop and put in the soup into Tom Yum. Very good flavor. Pandan leaf. The chef to ask you what it is. We make our mango with stick like this one like this. Do like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you very
ขอบ
much.
คุณค่ะ
What is this?
Eel.
What's it called? An eel.
Yeah. More eel.
Did you get scared?
Bray.
What? Oh, frogs.
Wait, what?
So trying to get out.
Help me.
What's even happening?
Are you ready? Yeah. For sticky rice, the way we cook, we will cook by steam. This one we call bamboo basket. It's made by bamboo. Just check water. We're not gonna squeeze because we no need to break the rice. So we have pandan leaves here. For fresh ones, smell a little bit light, like a grass. But after the hash, have you ever seen green sticky rice? Blue? Purple? Yeah. So for sticky rice, we have two original colors. And sugar, we need sweet taste from white sugar. This step, everyone close your eyes, please. You'll be surprised at how much we use. That's why you have to know our secret. So at 4, then I will add 8 tablespoons of white sugar. Ask them. They come second time.
And there's no sugar at all?
No sugar at all?
Yeah.
There's no dessert, no sweet. That's finished for mango sticky rice. Any question?
No.
All good? And then everyone except Cashew again. You will have 3 small pieces on your tray. This one we call Cashew skin. Can you see skin? How different from normal lamb? Normal lamb skin quite smooth, Cashew skin look like a brain. We add a little bit in your curry paste.
Can take off?
Different. For Thai people, we use Cashew to wash our hair.
Hair?
Yeah.
Conditioner?
Shampoo. Long back Thai people, we don't need shampoo. We use Cashew. Or if you eat seafood and then your hand gets smell fishy, use this one to wash your hands. If you go to massage shop, you get foot massage. They use this one to wash your foot. Or you can cut in half, put in the fridge. So that you smell your faces. Or put in the toilet. Interesting, right? Small one, you need spicy taste from this one.
This is spicy.
For me,
For you also?
it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
For me, it's spicy.
Decide how spicy you like. More spicy, more sexy. If you want to be more sexy, use more. I can give you more. Just make sure you're not going to be sexy in the toilet tonight. Okay. After that, for yellow curry and soy, yellow.
Smash it.
Shampoo your fingers, okay? Make sure you put in the middle of your cutting board. And then this.
Which one very
For big one, not spicy. One small. Slice and
How do you feel?
Put everything back on your tray. Please grab your curry paste tray and then you can grab your chef. We're gonna work in team. If you work together, you're gonna go all in together. And then,
Yeah, work, boy. Work.
you have to be watched out.
This is more work than last time.
Or if you're not comfortable, right? You can stand up and hold it. Oh, good work. For spicy, come from your curry paste. Now I would like everyone to have a small pinch and taste your curry paste. Spicy? No. No? If you feel like spicy,
It's spicy.
next one. Bell pepper, that's 3 colors. For chicken with basil. Good boy.
How spicy, how sexy.
1 tablespoon of sweet chili jam. Pinch, taste, and then pass around. This one vegetable. Chicken with cashew. And if it's for Bray, bring to your cooking station and then cover in the room.
Put in the bag.
So teacher, just
Oh my
count.
god, this is so...
Around 3 or 4. Did you cook this one last time?
No.
No? Okay.
So if I just do like 2 big ones, it won't be spicy.
Making some chicken.
These are you.
Yes.
You have Thailand and carrot here.
Next, you listen to the
All right, that's it. Can I say, am I- you're not sure, add only half one first. Okay, if you're ready, please turn the heat on. We're gonna start with medium heat, 7 o'clock. Press it down for 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Add your chicken in. Please taste your curry.
Wow.
Are you a good cook?
How's your curry? All
The
good?
best.
Your sambu. On top. If anything happens, run. Everyone turn the heat on, please. With medium heat. Chicken. Sorry. All right. That's good job like this.
In the kitchen when I'm hungry. Yeah. I'm passionate about something else. Psychology and how people try to find the better than to cook. And I come from Italy, so I never had a basic to learn to cook. So that's why. Where am I going to grow up? In the Netherlands?
Thank you.
Hi, thank you. Kakumha.
Enjoy evening.
You too. Jasmine,
Hi.
how do you feel about cooking?
I love it. Hi.
How do you feel about your cooking? Good. Say that in Thai.
Bien.
What?
Bien.
No, it's not.
I know.
That's Spanish.
Хорошо.
I'm full.
Are you full?
I'm super full.
Are you a good cook?
And I had to cook.
Yeah, you
Still
wanted
cook.
to.
I wasn't at home.
Oh,
Alright, so there you go.
let's go.